So this is my current storage solution right now, but I just know it could be so much better. So this is what I've made. I've got a series of shelves that will hold these boxes with minimal loss, and they're the most efficient use of space I could think of, as opposed to using a plastic box which you're going to break. I've got these. So I needed to get some organisation into my workshop. I could have bought a racking system and used plastic boxes, but there's two problems I find with plastic boxes. When they get a bit older or overloaded, they can crack, and also most of them have a taper on the side, so when you put them in the shelf you do lose a little bit of space. So I've decided to go for the long-term option and build my own boxes. So I've made loads of these boxes that will slot into the shelf section I made with minimal wasted space, and they're screwed and glued together, so they're really solid and they should last a lifetime. So this is the shelf system that I've made. I've got all my boxes in. I've roughly broken them up into different sections, so glue, paints, tape, electrical. It's still a bit of a mess in each box. It's kind of just crammed in there for now, but the nice thing about this shelf, which I've made to be 2 meters high, and I'll put plans in the link below, so you can click on the link and that'll take you to my website and you can download a free plan. Also plans for how to make these boxes and to give you an idea of how to efficiently use the space you have in your garage. So the height of this is 2 meters, and that's the kind of shelf that I could just about reach on top, and I could bring a ladder and get even higher. But this is the last kind of usable shelf without stepping on something. But as soon as I put a box on top of it, I can't really see into it. So if I made a full height box like this and put them on the top, I wouldn't be able to see or grab anything. So what I've done with the boxes on top is I've angled the front section so I can kind of see what's in there, and if I need to grab something, rather than taking the whole box down, I can just pull it out halfway, and then you can sort of lean it and it wedges, and then with your hands free you can pick out something you need and slide it back. So that's why the top section has been cut away, and then each box just gets slightly bigger as it goes further down. I've also put 2 handles either side of the box, so when you take them out you can carry them, and they're just a simple box basically. I just made the boxes slightly smaller than the gap, just to allow for a bit of tolerance in getting them in and out. But yeah, they look really good. I'm really pleased with them, and I'll be able to organise my things better, and I can know where things are, use the space more efficiently. So I'm looking forward to using